standards of instruction and integrity. Under the leadership of Master Donald David Geisler III, President, GDTF Philippines Chapter, with honorary endorsement of Grandmaster Jun Lee, President, Global Traditional Taekwondo Federation. In witness thereof, the certificate is issued as a mark of honor and trust, and to stand as a lasting testament of the Dojan's place within the global Taekwondo community. We also would like to officially announce that Master Joel Faustino is the city coordinator assigned to Parañaque. So, Master Joel, congratulations. Welcome to GTTF. But wait, there's more. Okay. The Global Traditional Taekwondo Federation Philippines Chapter Certificate of Accreditation by virtue of the authority vested in the Global Traditional Taekwondo Federation Philippines. This certificate of accreditation is hereby granted to John Michael Peñano,